Alright guys, we're on the Carnival Sunshine and we are in the Scenic Oceanview cabin. You probably see why they call it that, because it faces out the very front of the ship and has this large floor-to-ceiling picture window. So unfortunately the window is a little dirty, but you can look right out at the front of the ship. This ought to be pretty interesting. And these are on the higher decks. We're actually on deck 9 in the front. So, quick look here. This one has the lower sofa turns into a bed and also has the upper Pullman. If you're traveling with kids, I would recommend that you get the rooms with the upper Pullmans, because they have a lot more comfortable bed setup than the couch that turns into bunks, because I said the mattresses are smaller and sometimes they shirk putting them together, so that can be a bit of a mess. But you can see how much floor space you have there in front of the couch. And if you guys noticed from
there's a lot of
some of the yes, there's a lot of room in this cabin. If you look at some of the walkthroughs of the newer ships like the Mardi Gras, all this space here is gone. There's no room here for a table or anything like this. The wall comes out here, and you just have this little space here. This cutout is not there, so you lose all that space, as well as the space here between the bed. This is a lot tighter, so you lose out there as well. Like I said, you got a lot of room over here on both sides. I said there's night tables on both sides. There's no plugs or USB ports or anything here on this side. You have 2 plugs here, American and a European plug.
Over here there's one as well, but I can't see what it is.
I don't know what that is. Looks like a European plug there. We have another little table. So, this cabin also, with having more room, has more room here. Usually there's not a night table or anything here. The couch will actually be pushed all the way up against this wall, right under this upper Pullman here. So you get all this extra room here, as well as what's on the front side of the bed there. And of course, this can be an adjoining cabin. We've met our neighbors. This room also appears to have a lot more storage than we've seen on some of the older ships, like the Pride. This says you got a pretty large closet here as you come in, and this is actually a large double hanging closet right here. Of course, we're still waiting on our luggage. And down here you have 4 drawers. So this one here's a little bit bigger. And another closet here. It's also a long hanging closet.
The closets are great.
A lot of good storage. So the Carnival usually always has their hair dryer right here. Right here is a safe. These are nice. These are a lot better than the ones that you got to swipe the card. So this one actually looks like you get to put in your own code. There's a lot of storage in this cabin. And this should be our little cooler, I guess I call it, right? Alright, this one's actually cold. Sweet. Like our last Carnival ship, that did not work. So if you guys are wondering about the window there, if you want to sleep, it has a power shade. It's actually kind of nice. Close that right off. This ship is also it's a little different. Okay, our shade might have broke. All right, this bathroom is basically the same as you usually find on all this generation of Carnival ship. I like these a lot better because I like the extra sink tops here, so you got a lot more room to put things. And these little shelves here on the side are nice too. Right there. Shower curtains are not our favorite, but it's decent size. Of course, you've got your shower gel and shampoo, that citrus stuff, and that shower gel. Grab handles, and your clothesline for your swimsuits. So all in all, nice cabin it is, as long as that we can close that. Alright guys, we're back to the cabin and they have made up the bed. Now, we are actually very surprised because the bottom sofa, which is usually just a single bed, just like the upper Pullman here, turns out it is it's like queen size bed on the bottom with the small twin up top, which is generally what's usually here. So this is actually a 5-person cabin, and we did not know that, so that's pretty cool. Especially they got their own night table and everything there. But I said usually you got this Pullman and you've got another bed down here the same size. So really cool. That's awesome. There's not a lot of 5-person cabins in the Carnival fleet, especially on the older ships.